Alexa, what's the weather like today?
Here's the weather in Seattle, Washington.
Alexa, play 90s hip-hop.
Here's a station for 90s hip-hop.
Alexa, skip this song.
Alexa, show me the kids' room. Right. Kids! Alexa, show me a recipe for chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, for chocolate chip cookies, here's a few recipes.
Alexa, add 2% milk to my shopping list.
I've added 2% milk to your shopping list.
Alexa, set my alarm for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Alarm set for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Express yourself with the Lenovo Tab P11 5G. Finally, work is done. Nice! It's me time. Catch up with a friend. Or better yet, connect face to face. What do you think? Should we take this convo on the move? You got 5G after all. Oh yeah, 5G lag-free. Now find your vibe. That looks perfect. So just relax. And maybe kick it up a notch or two. Yeah, that's better. Oh, and it stands? That's clever. Plus you got 15 hours of streaming, so take it anywhere and you'll never miss a thing. Feeling inspired? Wow, you're pretty good at this. Okay, now just chill. Express yourself with the Lenovo Tab P11 5G and get your me time going.